CapCut templates are a great way for you to speed up your edits and to make insanely looking videos in just a couple clicks. CapCut templates are a great way for you to make edits super easy, super fast with only a couple clicks. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's jump here into the free version of CapCut here on my iPhone. Pretty sure they have one for Android as well. So for this example, I'm going to use the car template video, one of the many that it has. So I'm going to use here with the Mercedes, and you see that it's got 203,000 times that it's been used. This is the name of the car template. So if I click into it here, you can see that it's right. So it's just cut to the beat for you. It shows you that the whole video itself is 11 seconds and that there are 7 clips that you need to add to it. So let's add some clips to it here, and it's also been saved 32,000 times, which is great as well. So if you're new here, it's Dave here at Duff Media, and I used to be a full-time elementary school teacher, and because of creating content for my photo and video business where I help real estate agent and mortgage agents create better content for their businesses, I was able to leave that and now create content full-time. And my goal is to teach you how to do it one video at a time. So let's get right into it again. Here, I've got video of a house that was for sale. So I used the Pocket Osmo to stabilize my camera here, so I wasn't just holding it. I can link that in the description below so you can see exactly what that is. That's just a stabilizer so that the footage isn't shaky. So again, here you see at the bottom here, you see 3.5 seconds, 1.6 seconds. That's how long the clips are going to be on screen. So this first one, I'm going to do the front of the house, and then when you select it, it shows it there in the bottom. Next up, I'm going to jump into the kitchen here. I'm just going to hit this one. Next, I'll go to, it was a pretty good living and dining room. I'll go there. Next one, I'll do a detail shot. There was a fireplace. Yes, the fireplace here. Next, I'll do the upstairs. It had a pretty cool staircase here. Boom. And I'll do the master bedroom here, and we'll finish up with an outside shot of the back. Okay, so if I hit next, it's just gonna show you the video all put together. So there it is, like with the music. But you'll see there's the clips, right? So you'll see there the clips didn't go so smoothly. So what you need to do is tell it exactly where you want to start and stop within the longer clip. So I'll show you what that means. So in this first one here, this is a longer shot of the front of the house. So you're going to hit crop, and you see in this lighter side here, it's going to show you where it starts and stops. So when you're ever creating video of something like a car, like just car videos or like a house video, anything like that, you want to always move and cut on movement. So if it's not moving and then it starts, it's going to be jarring. But if everything is moving within the shot and all the different shots, it looks really good. So here, I'm going to go to something where I'm moving. So let's go maybe here. So we'll start there. That looks good. Okay, so then I'll say, okay. Then I'll go to clip number 2 and I'll go crop. Again, I was not moving at the start of the clip, so I'll slide it here where there's movement. It's moving the whole time, okay, or the check mark. Then my next one is this, press play. Okay, so I'll go to the third one here and I'll say crop. So it's getting into position. So let's go here and slide across. That looks good. Next up, we've got the fireplace again. Come to like the middle of the clip-ish where I'm moving. There we go. Next up, here we're on the staircase. Overlooks the living room or dining room. So let's go here-ish. Yep, so we're moving the whole time. Perfect. Next up, the master bedroom. Fly past the door, see a little bit of movement. There we go. And last but not least, the backyard. Slide it over here to like right about there. I want it to stop. Sweet. All right, so then we can play it and see how it all looks together from the start. And there you have it. We're all done. That was pretty quick. A couple of clicks and you're good to go. 7 clips in. And remember, you want to always be editing it so it's on movement. So I'm going to show you a trick so that people don't know that you're using the free version. So here you're going to go to export. and you want to save it on the device with the Capcut watermark. You're going to get that Capcut watermark if you don't have the Pro version, but I'm going to show you how we get around that. So it's just saving here. So we're all done, and now it's saved on my phone. So now I'm going to go to my Photos app, and I'm going to pull up that video. So now in the Photos app, you'll see that we have their video. It's all done, but you see in that top right-hand corner, it says the word Capcut. See it there? So how we get rid of that is we come to the start of the video, hit edit, and we're going to go to crop here again. And I'm pinching with 2 fingers, and I'm just going to zoom it in just a bit. And now the CapCut is gone in the top right hand corner, and we'll press play. And there we go. So there you have it. With just a couple of taps and in a couple of minutes, we were able to create an amazing video. It was cut to the beat, had speed ramps in it, and we didn't have to do any of that. CapCut is super powerful, and you can use templates to your advantage to cut up tons of video super fast. All you have to do is drop your clips in and you're good to go. So now that you know how to make amazing videos using templates in CapCut, click on my next video in this series where I show you how to make amazing looking and sounding video in your home office or studio. We'll see you in the next one.